meghalayapost.news.
Tang hadian ka tuan isngi wana kalyang ka BCCI kalade banjet uba renal kharkamni kum president ka Rbdca kum match observer na kumta ka jingla kai cricket happening ka India bar ka New Zealand menta sa isi na kalyang ka BCCI Board of Control for Cricket in India krajiat pat sayu president rangba jong ka MCA Meghalaya Cricket Association unaba bata charji balong kum nongilam team manager ya ka kunhon jele kai cricket kenthei jong kari sha Australia ka ban salongshan katba menta ka singi ka khandai trik na yeng ha shabo president rangba ke MCA unaba bata charji unle chakati ka tur ulayo ban wanyu kejat hamadan jele kai ka Rbdca panai ka kitbok riang ki hybrid ki barang dan hapadeng ke jingpan khre ban mi khmat na ka jalla banekun ya kelempung jele kai cricket hagni ka singi na kaleng ka Rbdca kala yo banle burom yo president rangba jongki bara ka jopor ban kitbok ru ya ki hashwa banle Ïalam ya ka kunhon kenthei jongkari sha Australia hagni ka singi la sakhilang da ka jingan lang ba renal kharkamni president ka Rbdca vice president ka Rbdca ba Ferdinand Kharkamni, Udhru, Bajyoti, Thakuria, Honorary Treasurer ka MCA ki Under 16 Boys Meghalaya team kinangilya kai Gharibai Cricket Academy lambat kiwe.
Hi from Shillong. Sir Dhruvo is also here from Shillong. And I'm not. I wouldn't be like wrong if I say Sir Naba and Sir Dhruvo has a quite soft corner for Rbdca district because we are here together just to congratulate Sir Naba for being appointed as the team manager of senior women national team, and it's quite something everyone cannot dream of. Like it's been like quite something given by our BCCI to Sir Naba, who really deserves this because the capable leader he is, and the way the MCA is performing, the MCA is going on under his leadership. It's something he really deserves. The way he leads, it's something, the gentleman he is, I would say. It's quite amazing, sir, to work under your leadership, to work under Baba Reynolds' leadership. It's amazing because this family, what we have in MCA, is something we are really proud of this momentous achievement, what you have achieved, and moving forward under your leadership and under Sir Reynolds' leadership as the president of Rbdca.
Of future Meghalaya. You see that building behind?
Yes, sir.
You're seeing, na?
Yes, sir.
The clubhouse. This building, you think without this foundation it will stand if you just put there? Huh? Because it has got a strong foundation. Similarly, you under 16 boys are the foundation of our teams which will come after you. So your role is very, very important, because from this level only you go up to 19, 23 senior, and this is the place, this is the age group where you have to learn, fine-tune your techniques, go up to your coach, because once you go, as you grow in age, it is very difficult to change, whether it's your stance, whether it is your follow-through, whether it is how you bowl, at what length you bowl, all these things, this is the time to strengthen. And one more thing, you have to be very, very serious with what your coach and others are saying. Understand?
Yes, sir.
This is the time also to build your discipline, your commitment, and also to decide whether you want to continue playing cricket after this camp or this tournament. Because this BCCI tournament is not the end in itself, it's just the beginning. And I can tell you, because it is not I'm here in Rbdca, according to me, is the best association for looking after and generating interest, at the same time providing the necessary resource and the ground. You see such a lovely ground they have come up in 1 year's time. I think a big round of applause for Reynolds and the entire team. And this speaks of what? Teamwork, team spirit, and working in harmony. Same way, your team also should be like this. I think all these days you are here, you have seen how they work. You have to support each other, hold each other, and work shoulder to shoulder with each other. And cricket is not an individual game. Individual performance is there, but it's not, and it's also a team game. And I think this is one aspect which you can learn also from the Rbdca District Cricket Association. But Reynolds and others, they have contributed and sacrificed so much. We have been there together for over 15 years. We have also gone through the hard days. So now you also, you have to commit, work hard. Nothing comes easy. If you want to play for the state first, then maybe for the zone, the country, there is nothing easy. 1-2 days practice will not do. 8 to 9 hours of practice is a must daily. Whether during the on season, it's more off season, you have to practice. You cannot say it's raining, this, that. Your commitment is very important. I'm sure you'll do well. Learn, go ahead. All of you, you see, we in Meghalaya, we are no less than any other team. So you must go with your head held high, at the same time well equipped in whatever department you are.
meghalayapost.news